So with AI, I think we all know about ChatGPT and what's happening with ChatGPT. ChatGPT knows the language of the internet. It knows text, image, audio, video, and code. It doesn't know the language that we speak together, the language of engineering and manufacturing. I'm talking about system design, mechanical, electrical simulation, manufacturing, and BOM. And what we're doing as Siemens is we have some unique advantages here. And what we're doing is we're creating our own industrial foundation model for AI. What makes us think that we can do this? We have a lot of pieces. We have 150 petabytes of data. We make things. Siemens makes products. So we're taking 150 petabytes of product data that we have. We have over 10,000 patents on AI. We're working with customers like yourself to bring that AI together. We have hundreds of data scientists. We're pulling all that together and we're building an industrial foundation model that speaks the language of engineering and manufacturing.